Alright, so implicit differentiation. What does that mean? Basically finding the derivative of equation with a y in it. Before we found the derivative of this stuff and it basically was fine and it came out as y, but now this is using y as well. So you're going to have dy dx. So when you take x squared, when you take this derivative of this, you just do the same thing, power rule. So you're going to have 2x plus, so you get y squared. Do the same thing, you get 2y, but you also get dy dx. It means y, derivative of y with the respect to the derivative of x. 25 is going to be 0. Now all you got to do is get dy dx by itself. So subtract 2x. So you get 2y. You get negative 2x. Divide by 2y. dy dx equals negative 2x over 2y. And that is, well, these two cross out, you get negative x over y. But that is actually very simple. That's all it really is finding that with respect to dy dx. Another one is y squared plus x. And you're going to get 2y dy dx plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1. Divide. And you get it. That's your derivative for that. And you find the slope by in this one you would find the slope by plugging in. You have to figure out what
the
each
point
is.
And you plug in x and y.
I'm plugging x and y. This one x isn't going to do anything, but if I can think of a really good one would be to work with would be like y squared plus xy equals 25.
Because that involves the product rule.
Yes. Well, no, that's actually not y. So you get this one, you get 2y dy dx plus x 1 prime 2, which is just y, plus 2 prime 1, which is x dy dx.
Moving head out of the way.
Equals 0. My bad. I'm confusing these two almost. So how do you do this? Let's rewrite this so y'all can see. Okay, so how do you do this? First, you want to get the dy dx's by themselves, so you got to keep this over here. Plus x dy dx equals negative y. Now, you can look at dy dx as its own variable, so you could do
times 2y. Move your head.
Plus x equals negative y. My bad.
Yeah. And then just divide by the 2y plus x.
And you're going to get
dy dx equals negative y over 2y plus x.
And that's the answer.
And you could also take that one step farther and go to the second derivative, which is like
that's just like
d squared y over dx squared.
It's like that. That's just taking the derivative of that.
Which is low to high minus high to low.
And when you get dy dx, you plug in this. And that's how you get d squared y dx squared. And that's basically implicit differentiation.
In a nutshell.
You're probably going to, in a nutshell, you're going to get some crazy ones out there, like x cubed plus y cubed equals, plus xy squared. I mean, but just plug and chug. That's all it is, really. Have fun.